everyone, my name's Laura and welcome to the Coupon Club. Now I am especially excited for today's video because I actually just got back from CVS where I did my CVS haul for this week and I got $155 worth of stuff for free. And when I did this deal, I only used digital and printable coupons which are available to everybody along with some CRTs which I had. If you don't know what a CRT is or where to get them, you should check out my CVS Best Deals video, which I have linked down below. I explain that along with a few of the deals I will be doing today in that video. So before we get into these deals, if you guys haven't already, you should definitely check out my Instagram page. It's @coupon.club. And I am posting on all sorts of freebies you guys can get. For example, yesterday I posted on how everybody can get a free CBD sample. And if you guys are interested in that, as a thank you for watching this video, I'll hook you up for that right now. Just go to cbdwithbenefits.com and give them like your email and stuff, and they will send you a free CBD product sample. Anyways, when I did this deal, guys, I broke it down into 4 transactions. So I'm gonna show you each of those 4 transactions. So the first transaction I did was also the biggest, and I started off by picking up these 2 9 mega rolls of Cottonelle toilet paper. These are normally priced at $16.99 each, but this week they're on sale for $10.49 each, and there's a $2 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app, along with a 55-cent off coupon on Cottonelle.com. Now I tried to use this coupon twice, one for each of these, but it didn't work. I was only able to use one, so just a fair warning, if you guys want to do this deal, you can only use one of those 55-cent off coupons. The next item I picked up was this Tide Pod 16 count, and this is normally priced at $6.99, but this week it is on sale for $4.94, and we have a $2 off digital coupon in the CVS app. So you want to clip that coupon to your account and add this to your cart. The next thing I picked up were these Gain Flings, and these are priced at $6.99, but this week they're on sale for $4.94, and there's a $2 off digital coupon in the CVS app. So add this coupon to your account and add these to your cart. The next thing I picked up were 2 of these Tide laundry detergents, and they are the 40 ounce, and these are normally priced at $10.79 each. But this week they're on sale for $5.94 each, and there's a $2 off digital coupon for 1 in the CVS app, and there's a $2 off 1 printable coupon at pngeveryday.com. So be sure to add that digital coupon to your account and print that coupon out and add these to your cart. And just so you know, guys, when you print out this printable coupon from pngeveryday.com, print it out the day that you plan on going to the store, because when you print it, the expiration date is usually the same day or the next day. So just be careful with this. The last item I picked up for my first transaction was this Revlon nail clipper. Now I had a $4 off of any Revlon product CRT, making this completely free because this is normally priced at $3.89. So if you guys have this CRT, pick yourself up a free nail clipper. If you don't have this CRT, no worries, you can just skip this deal and everything will still be the same. So this is everything that I got with my first transaction. I got 2 of the Cottonelle toilet papers, 1 of the Tide Pods, 1 of the Gain Flings, 2 of the Tide laundry detergents, and a Revlon nail clipper. So for all the coupons I used a $2 off of 2 digital coupon for the Cottonelle, along with the 55-cent off printable coupon. For the Tide Pods, I used a $2 off digital coupon. For the Gain Flings, I also used a $2 off digital coupon. For the Revlon nail clipper, I used a $4 off CRT. And for these Tide laundry detergents, I used 1 $2 off digital coupon and 1 $2 off printable coupon. Along with all of these, I also had a $10 off of $40 household purchase CRT, a $2 off of $8 paper product CRT, and a $3 off of 12 laundry product CRT. Alright, so after all my digital coupons and printable coupons, my subtotal was $17.19, but I got $2 extra buck back for these 2 Tide laundry detergents, and I got a $10 CVS gift card for purchasing $30 worth of certain items this week. So now you're probably thinking, okay, but you still paid money out of pocket. How is this free? Hold on, I'm going to show you how it's free in a little bit, because in some of these next deals, I actually get money back without paying anything. So stick tuned. For my second transaction, I picked up 2 of these Colgate mouthwashes, which are normally priced at $5.99 each, but this week they're on sale for $3.99. And when you buy 1, you get a $2 extra buck back. So I picked up 2 of these, and I also had a $2 off of $7 Colgate CRT, which I paired with this deal. So my subtotal came to $3.98, but I used this $10 off CVS gift card, which I got from my first transaction, to pay for that, and I got $4 extra bucks back. Just so you guys can see, this is the $4 extra buck back that I got for these Colgates. And this is the top of the receipt. I got the 2 and used my whatever. You guys can all see it. So that was my second transaction. And for my third transaction, I picked up 4 of the Aleve Back and Muscle 24 count. So I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. And at my store, they're normally priced at $6.29 each. And I also had 4 printable coupons, which were valued at $3 each from coupons.com. Unfortunately, this coupon is no longer available. So if you wanted to do this deal, you would need to already have these 4 coupons printed. So I had 4 $3 off coupons for a total of $12 off. And I also had a $2 off of 6 Aleve purchase. So with all my coupons, my subtotal came to $5.46, but I used a $5 extra buck, making these all just 46 cents, and I got an $8 extra buck back. So if you guys have those coupons, this is an amazing deal, which you can do right now. Now the last deal that I did is probably my favorite because I picked up 6 boxes of cereal for $1. And I was able to do this because I had a $3 off of a $10 food purchase CRT and a $2 off of an 8 breakfast food purchase CRT. Along with these CRTs, there was a $1 off of 2 General Mills cereals in the CVS app, and there's also a $1 off of 3 General Mills cereal available at coupons.com. Now for this last coupon I had, it's kind of a hidden coupon, and in order to get this, you guys just need to sign up for CVS text alerts, which you can do through the CVS app. And if you guys are signed up for CVS text alerts, you probably got a text yesterday or the day before for $4 off of a $10 purchase, and I also used that coupon for this transaction. So the General Mills cereals are normally priced at $5.49 per box, but at CVS this week, they're on sale for $1.99. So I went ahead and picked up 6 of them. I can't even hold 6, but yeah, I picked up 6 of them. And after all my coupons and CRTs, my subtotal came down to just 94 cents. And again, I used my CVS gift card to pay for this, so I didn't have to pay anything. Oh my God, I just realized I forgot to tell you guys about some other deals that I did. So these deals I mentioned in my CVS Best Deals video. So I picked up some of the Neutrogena face masks, which are priced at $2.99, and we have a $3 off CRT, making them free. And I also picked up 2 of these Love Corns, which are priced at $1.99 each, but there's a $1 off coupon, which I will link down below, so you want to print that out twice, and a $1 off rebate on Ibotta, which will make these completely free. And if you guys aren't signed up for Ibotta yet, now's the perfect time to sign up. Because if you guys sign up using my referral code, you guys can just get $2 just like that. And if you're not even interested in using Ibotta, just sign up with my code and get $2. It's that simple. Anyways, for everything that I have on this table, retail value of this is a little over $155, but I only paid about $19 out of pocket, but I got $24 back, making this completely free. And all together, I got 2 Cottonelle toilet papers, 1 Tide Pod, 1 Gain Fling, a Revlon nail clipper, 2 Love Corn snacks, 6 boxes of General Mills cereal, 2 Tide laundry detergents, 2 Colgate mouthwashes, 4 boxes of Aleve, and 3 Neutrogena face masks. So this was an insane haul that I did this week, and honestly, I feel like I just did some CVS magic. So if you guys have all the CRTs that I mentioned in this video, definitely get out there and do this deal too. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this deal and enjoyed watching my video, please give it a thumbs up down below. I really appreciate all the support. And if you're not already, join the club down below, and don't forget to check out my Instagram at coupon.club, because like I said, I am posting all sorts of freebies, which are just really great to know about. Alright guys, happy shopping, and I will see you in the next one.